In today's video, we're heading out to the lake after dark to try and chase some big catfish. Now, a fair warning, it does get a little grainy here and there because, well, duh, we are filming in the dark. But don't let that hold you back because there is plenty of good stuff in here. And you'll see us run into a few unexpected twists along the way. And you might learn a thing or two. So stick around, enjoy the nighttime vibes, and let's see what we can reel in together.
Because we're out here on the pontoon.
It's still going to be a fun ride, so let's go.
Oh yeah, that's deep shit.
I do catch those big giant salamanders out here sometimes too.
Oh, the hellbenders?
Yeah.
No shit. You've seen one here?
I caught one.
Are they hellbenders or mud puppies?
I think it's a mud puppy, but I caught
I've
one.
never seen one.
The DNR wants you to, if you catch one, to let them know about it.
The exact spot?
Yeah, they want to
Like
know exactly where it was at.
What does that do?
They keep like records of them.
It's a lake though, like just a bowl of water. Doesn't matter where they are. We need exact longitude and latitude, bud.
But I guess that they were originally in like all the lakes, and now they're extinct out of a lot of lakes here in Indiana.
Yeah, I've never seen one in my life.
Yeah. It's supposed to be considered a
Delicacy, let's eat one.
sign of a good ecosystem in the lake.
I know eagles are a sign of a good ecosystem.
Those are all over the Tippecanoe River.
And they're starting to come by the Wabash. But in 16, they did like some farmer act to where the farmers were going to try to keep control of their drainage so it doesn't fucking dirty up the water as much.
They should do that.
The Wabash is literally named Wabashiki, which means, what was it, Clear River?
Oh yeah, I remember it clear.
And I'm like, what? When has this river ever been fucking clear? Ever.
I've never seen it clear.
Like right now is the clearest it gets, and it's only 2.5 feet deep.
And people catch big sturgeons out there too. I'd love to catch one. That's like my bucket list.
There was a pocket of sturgeon I used to catch when I was younger. Are they shovel nose? They look like pike, kind of like this long, and they got plates along the side and plates along the top.
There's shovel nose and there's lake sturgeon. Is endangered. One of them's not.
Which one's endangered?
I don't remember which one it is. But yeah, that's a bucket lister fish for me. And I went to the Wabash River and targeted him one time, and all I did was caught a bunch of drum.
If you use a worm, you're going to catch mostly drum.
And go to the deep area, because the walleye are apparently schooled up in the deep parts of the lakes right now.
Let's go to Wabash and catch your limit in 40 minutes.
Yeah, where do you just catch them all over in the Wabash, or?
Wabash has got a couple spots that I catch them in. They're in the pockets below the bridges. Like they like that cool dark spots that don't get much light. Because I've searched everywhere by the weed line and up by the bank, by the cut banks, and they're nowhere to be found. But right, oh my goodness, that's a big one. Oh my gracious, that's a biggie. Holy crap! What? Oh no, that is like a 5-pound walleye, 3-pound walleye. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. Oh my goodness, can I get him up? Oh, see if I can't get a picture of you though. I actually caught all 3 of them, sauger, walleye, and a saugeye. Oh yeah, he's on. Damn, that was quick. Oh, it feels like a cat.
Turtle.
Fudge. Really? Oh, small softy too. Dang it, he hit so hard.
Those things always stink.
Yeah, they do. God damn it.
It was fast.
That's my first catch.
For reference here, we had to ration our bait sparingly, so we were using both live and cut bait. Though the cut bait was getting a lot more bites, it was just a lot more unwanted attention.
Might have another turtle. You know what? Just in case it's a huge flathead. I'm about to get slayed. You still on? Oh. Oh my God. What the heck? Oh, it's a biggie. It's a turtle. It feels like a turtle. God, it's big though. A lot bigger than the last one. Ah, I think it's a turtle he's grabbing. He's digging. Oh my goodness, that's a big one though. That's probably the biggest one I've caught out of here. Turtle. Oh, he's going straight down. Oh my goodness. Ugh. It's a big ass turtle. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Is that what's hanging on the bottom here? How big is that? A 10-pounder? Jesus. Look at this. It's a huge leatherback. I thought you were possibly a flathead for a second. Had all the familiar symptoms of flathead. No, oh, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. He's angry. Ah, he swallowed it completely.
Give the knife.
I just freaking swallowed it on me. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Come on.
Try to get him in the net.
Yeah, maybe. God, he smells so nasty. I can't get a hold of him. Jesus. Smells like dumpster butt.
Always make sure I got the hook out, no matter what I do, because I felt bad for the turtle, but there's so many of them in here now, I just fucking, if they don't come out easy, I just cut the line.
To be honest, I cut the line a lot of times with those.
But I used to think they were like fucking rare, you know, when I first started catfishing.
Oh, leatherbacks?
Yeah.
No, you'll catch more leatherbacks, you won't catch catfish. It's let me down. I mean, it's fun to be catching something, but goodness. Turtles, for real? Soft shells, leatherbacks? Come on, let's get on some big old catfish.
Caught it, but we have some underwater titties, now you can't see it.
It's got it.
Oh, shit. Yep. Oh, no. Let's go.
That felt good. Big takedowns. Yeah, something's definitely playing with it.
That's how a turtle. That's like a turtle.
Just pecking at it? Dang it. Is it there?
Yep.
Oh, it's there. Nice. Please don't be a turtle. Please be a...
Nope, it's gone.
It was a turtle?
I would say I didn't see it, but they keep killing my live bait.
Yeah, what's up with the turtles?
Oh, shit. Oh. Did you get him?
I think he just took my bait. That might have been a cat. It looks like it's kind of like, I don't know, catty-like.
He's on. That's a fish. Oh, there we go. What is it? A crappie cut bait? Oh, yes, fighting hard.
What is it?
Catfish.
The catfish? Oh my gosh, finally. There it is, finally.
I think we might double up.
Finally.
I think we're doubling up.
We're doubling up? Oh, he got him. Oh, he got him. I'm gonna put this channel back and see. Oh my God, that's a freaking bigger one. Oh, he came off right there, didn't he?
Yeah.
Dang it. That was a catfish too. Yeah, that was a catfish too.
Yeah. We almost doubled up. Now the bite is finally starting to happen, and I am totally tangled up in this net.
Harrison ain't getting skunked. He's got, I'm guessing, a channel cat. What do we have here?
That's not bad.
Is that right? About the same one.
Oh, yeah.
Might be the same one.
These look good.
Dang. Nice. Oh, shoot.
I'm trying to throw you back.
Come on, buddy. Let him throw you back. There he goes. Oh, Harrison didn't get skunked. He just hit on a whole school of channels. Oh, shoot. I'm down. Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. That's huge.
That's going to be a flathead.
Is he going to be a flathead?
I think so.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's going into the boat. Don't go in the boat. Don't go in the boat.
Oh, shoot. Oh, I can't do anything about it. He's gone.
So I'm going to pull that anchor.
I'm trying. Oh, yeah. Oh, is he surfaced?
There he is.
Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Is he in? No. I don't know what I just got. A channel cat?
Yeah.
Still, that was a heck of a fight. Everybody just spit out.
Baby shad, I bet.
Oh, baby. Oh, still alive. Look at that. He's still alive. A baby shad.
So I put the baby shad on the wood.
Look at
Yeah, I
that.
see him. I don't know what that is. I
That
see
is
that on
nasty.
something else.
See that? Spots up over. Decent channel though. That took a second. Yeah. Oh yeah, he's a nice one.
That will just slowly took it down like a flathead would.
Man, they're all the same size, aren't they?
Yeah, I feel like they might be getting slightly bigger.
Need some pliers?
Yes.
I think you're just standing on it, yeah.
I hate when they roll in the net like that.
He rolled that way.
Number 4.
Number 4, nice. Yeah, we definitely hit on a little herd of them.
No, we are going to run out of bait.
Yep. That's sure gonna happen. Why'd that one smell like shit?
I don't know. He did have a strong smell to him.
Yeah, he did. I had to make sure my pole's still there. Like you said, you got hit. I was like, where's my pole?
Oh. Nope.
The bite has really lit up for us. Like, this pole's starting to dingle a little bit. Just through. Oh, crap. Got one. Seems like he's on. Maybe. Is he on? Is it moving?
While we're out here waiting for some big takedowns, the algorithm's back here cooking up some bangers you're gonna love. So I'll just see you in the next video. Peace!